When I was younger, I had a fall where I fell over and smashed all my top teeth.
When he was so little, he fell down and cracked his front teeth. And he has to live with that teeth for years and years until he finds a place that he can trust with his treatment.
And it had a massive impact on how I looked at myself and my respectability really.
When our patient came for us for treatment, he was really afraid of if everything is going to be as he wish. He had an impact and fall down to his upper jaw when he was a little. And also, he was doing boxing and he had an impact on his lower jaw while he was boxing. And his sport life was affecting because of his injuries. And he was afraid that he wasn't able to get a confident smile and comfortable biting and eating ever. He was wondering about that. He also has a crossbite in his back teeth, so it's really hard to chew that way. Our achievements was made it to perfectly chewing and aesthetic at the same time. I'm really proud of the results that we made. We made it in a beautiful smile and beautiful functioning teeth and mouth. He got his confidence back, he got his smile back, he got his chewing habits back, and everything was so perfect. It was beyond our expectations.
And ever since my teeth had sort of got more crooked and crooked over the years, there was a crack in my gum, so my front teeth were starting to move a lot. And yeah, so I made a big decision to come out to Lima. They'd been highly regarded, and yeah, really pleased with the results and how my teeth looked.